This video is a continuation of our PacketCheck series. PacketCheck is our easy-to-use software program for Ethernet and IP testing. We will now demonstrate how to measure one-way delay. PacketCheck measures one-way delay by running two instances of PacketCheck on the same computer. The computer must contain two separate network interface cards. Both Ethernet ports are connected to the device under test, which in this case is a switch. Let's call these PacketCheck A and PacketCheck B. PacketCheck A will insert a timestamp into the packet payload and then transmit to PacketCheck B. PacketCheck B will receive the packet and calculate the one-way delay. The parameters for this test are as follows. We will send Ethernet frames. We will conduct the test at 100 megabits per second and use a pseudo-random binary sequence as our bit pattern for the bit error rate test. PacketCheck A will be in transmit mode and PacketCheck B will be in receive mode. Next, we will show the PacketCheck software. So we're first going to configure PacketCheck A. The mode selection should be normal, and verify the MAC and IP address, and then click Start PacketCheck to start the software. Okay, so for PacketCheck A, we are going to have one stream, and it'll be in transmit mode. It's going to send Ethernet frames, and for simplicity, we're not going to include any higher level protocols. Go to the MAC address tab. You can set the source MAC address as the network interface card for which PacketCheck A is listening, and the destination MAC address is the MAC address for which PacketCheck B will listen. So we can go to the payload tab, verify the bit error rate pattern, then go to the transmit tab, make sure that you have a fixed size Ethernet frame. We're going to run the test continuously at a rate of 100 megabits per second. The traffic generation mode will be set to burst. Next, go to delay measurements. Make sure enable transmit is checked and select one-way delay for the from the drop-down menu for the measurement type. Then you can begin. You see that we are transmitting from PacketCheck A at approximately 100 megabits per second. Now we haven't started PacketCheck B yet. This is all the data we have so far. Now let's start PacketCheck B. We need to initialize another version of PacketCheck. So click on the desktop icon again, and again we will set it to normal mode. This time we're going to change the interface to the other network interface card. Verify the MAC and IP address, and then hit Start PacketCheck. Okay, so here we want to make sure this is in receive mode. We don't want any IP or UDP data, so we're just receiving Ethernet frames. Again, we're going to configure the source and destination MAC. This is now the reverse of PacketCheck A. We go to the payload tab to ensure that we have the same bit error rate pattern as was set for PacketCheck A. Next, go to the delay measurements tab. Select one-way delay for the measurement type. Check enable receive, and then click Start to begin the test. So you see on PacketCheck B we have the full statistics, such as the received data rate, the bit error count, the error status, and most importantly we now have the one-way delay measurement, which is approximately 110 microseconds. So we have microsecond precision on the one-way delay measurement.